Zwelibanzi and Refilwe Sibiya, good evening and congratulations.
Hi, Swahili.
30th of April was the day. Rev, tell me about the day. How was it?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I mean, apart from the nerves and all the stress leading up to the day, but it was amazing. It was fantastic. Yeah.
Wow. And Zwelibanzi, for you?
Yeah, it was overwhelming to say. I've done a lot of things in my life, but getting married was one thing that was new.
It was you. So you took a bold step. You did it. Let's say nervous, not about your love, but just appreciating the magnitude of the decision, right?
Yeah.
Yes, most definitely.
Yeah. Do you guys want to share a bit about your love story, when it started?
Yeah. I met this crazy Zulu man about 11 years ago.
Wow.
At a gala dinner for Africa Day, and he just kind of like took me by surprise. He was himself. He was confident in his Zuluness and his gangster Zuluness, and I don't know. I think it was magnetic for me. Like something kept on drawing me towards this authentic person who he is and still is that way. So yeah, I think that's one of those things. And he's very protective of the people that he loves, and he's been that way from day one and until today. So yeah.
That's beautiful. I mean, 11 years is a long time. So mine would be to say that you built a friendship, quite a very strong and firm friendship. Do you want to tell us about the importance of friendship, Babanzi, in with the person that you want to spend your life with?
I think friendship in a relationship is a cornerstone, because that's where you build trust, and it's also about being in the same space and not competing with each other, but rather complementing each other. So I think if you are friends, you tend to you gel more with each other.
And for you, Ref?
For me, I would say he actually is my friend, because whenever something bad happens to me, he's the first person I want to talk to. When something good happens, he's the first person I want to tell. And through the years, I think we've become so comfortable with each other that we complement each other so well that I know how we're going to feel about something before I even ask him how he feels about it. And I think we feed off each other in that way.
Alignment.
Yeah.
Can we talk about premarital counseling? Did you guys undergo this process?
I think for us, we've been going through it as a couple, just the two of us, because I think we talked constantly about what we expect from each other, what we need from each other, and that at the end of the day, it is our job to take care of each other more than anything. And we have made communication the biggest part of everything that we do, whether it is in our business ventures together or with our children, even in our marriage. It's the most important part. We don't shy away from the things that make us fight. We confront them head on and we talk about it. As hard as it is sometimes. So I think that works for us.
Yeah.
And the fact that marriage is not an event, it's not that day when you guys get married or at the wedding. It's a process. So once you understand that you are in a process, you want to get angry, but how you react to each other is very, very important. And the fact that you must know that you are together in this, and you have a common goal. So if you have that, I think that's key.
Marriage is not an event, it's a journey. Beautiful words there by Zwelibanzi, who recently got married to the love of his life, Refilwe Sibiya, on the 30th of April to be exact. Lastly, guys, what is the big dream? What dreams do you share for one another as you cast your eyes into the future?
I think for myself, the big dream is actually living up to what can I say? Can I say the love that we feel? Because we love each other so much, but sometimes we feel like we're not living up to it. I think that is the big dream for each other, to build a legacy of a marriage that is truthful, that is honest and raw, and also project that onto our kids as well, onto our boys as well, that you know what, you can actually have that actual love that you feel in your heart, and it is okay to express it. If we can succeed even a small percentage of that, I think we would have done something amazing. That's the biggest thing that I would want to draw out of being married to this amazing man that I have been with for the better part of my adult life.
Oh,
So,
beautiful.
yeah.
Beautiful. And Bans?
Yeah, for me, I think I'm living my biggest of all dreams, to be with her. And the fact that, we chose to be wedded by the king in KZN, in Kosumlife,
Sure.
who was something different because, our wedding was a different one. We didn't have a priest, by the way.
Okay.
Because we are people of African spirituality.
Nice.
So we chose to be wedded by the chief. And for me, the dream is to bring back the culture. And my dream is to work with her. Like now, we are working together. We have a show that is going to be opening at the Soweto Theatre called The Interrogation Room, about apartheid spies and whatnot. We're writing the play together.
Wow.
So it's in October at this Soweto Theatre. So for me, it's all about working together. It's about having her here with me because ngamncane too much.
Man, yabona wena. Guys, thank you so much. Kwande, Kukhanye, have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful marriage. Thank you for sharing so much light.
Thank you.
Awesome. Have a good evening. Reverend